was his math teacher, 32 and careful. But when he turned 29, we chose love, and the price was my job, my hometown, and every whisper that followed us. My name is Jisoo. I teach math at a school. I am 32 years old. I live alone. My life is quiet and simple. Every day I go to work. I teach numbers to students. I like my job very much. My room has desks and a big board. I write on the board every day. Students sit and listen to me. They ask me questions about math. I help them learn. This is my life. One morning I go to my room. New students come in. They sit down. They open their books. I look at all the faces. Then I see a new student. His name is James. He is tall. He has brown hair. He sits in the front. He is near my desk. He looks different from other students. James looks at me. His eyes are blue and kind. He smiles at me. I feel something new in my heart. I do not know what it is. I have never felt this before. It is a warm feeling. It is nice but strange. I try to forget this feeling. I start to teach. I write numbers on the board. I talk about math problems, but I still think about James. James listens to me very well. He asks good questions. He learns fast. He is very smart. When I answer his questions, he smiles. I like his smile, it makes me feel happy. But I know this is wrong. I am his teacher. He is my student. I must not think about him this way. I try to think only about math, but it is hard. The class ends. Students leave the room. Pack my things. I think about James again. Why do I feel this way? I am confused. I go home that night. I make dinner. I watch television. But I think about James all evening. I see his face in my mind. I remember his blue eyes. I remember his smile. I cannot stop thinking about him. The next day, James comes to class again. He sits in the same place. He looks at me and smiles. I feel happy to see him. During class, he asks many questions. He is very interested in math. After class, all students leave, but James stays. He walks to my desk. Miss Jisoo, he says, can you help me? I do not understand this problem. He shows me his book. I say yes. We sit together at a desk. Our chairs are close. I can smell his nice smell. My heart beats fast. I try to think only about the math problem. I explain the numbers to him. He listens well. He asks more questions. I understand now. He says, thank you, Miss Jisoo. You are a very good teacher. He smiles at me. I feel warm inside. Then we talk about other things. He tells me a funny story. I laugh. Feels good to laugh. I feel young and happy. We talk for 20 minutes. Thank you for your help, James says. He leaves the room. I watch him go. I sit alone in my room. I think about our talk. I like talking to him. He is funny and smart, but I know I should not feel this way. He is only 20 years old. I am 32. I am his teacher. This is not right. That night at home, I cannot sleep. I think about James all night. I remember how we sat together. I remember his voice. I remember his laugh. Why do I feel this way? I have never felt like this about a student before. I know it is wrong, but I cannot stop these feelings. One day after class, James asks me something, Miss Jisoo. He says, would you like to have coffee with me? I am surprised. I know I should say no. Teachers and students should not meet outside school, but something inside me wants to say yes, so I say yes. We meet at a small coffee shop near the school. James is already there when I arrive. He waves to me. We sit at a table in the corner. We order coffee. We start to talk. We talk about many things. We talk about music we like. We talk about books. We talk about our lives. James tells me about his family. He tells me about his dreams. I tell him about my life too. Feels good to talk to someone. I do not have many friends. James listens to me well. He asks me questions about my life. He seems interested in what I say. I like talking to you. James says, "You are very interesting." I feel happy when he says this. But then I remember where we are. I remember that I am his teacher. "James," I say, "this is nice, but we must be careful. I am your teacher. You are my student. We should not meet like this." I try to sound strong, but my heart feels different. James looks at me. His blue eyes are serious. "Jisoo," he says, "I know you are my teacher, but I am not a child. I am 20 years old. I know what I want. I like you very much." His words surprise me. He said, "Sounds very sure." I do not know what to say. We finish our coffee. I go home. I think about what James said. He likes me. I like him too. But is this right? I am confused. I do not know what to do. One day it rains very hard. I finish my classes. I walk to my car. The ground is wet. I walk carefully, but I slip. I start to fall, but strong hands catch me. It is James. He holds my arms. He keeps me from falling. We look at each other. His face is very close to mine. Rain falls on us. But I do not care about the rain. I only see James's kind eyes. My heart beats very fast. He looks at me for a long time. Then he touches my face gently. "You are beautiful," he says quietly. His words make me feel warm. My face gets red. I step back from him. I know this is not right, but something inside me has changed. I cannot forget this moment. "Thank you," I say. "Thank you for helping me." I walk to my car quickly. James watches me go. That night I cannot stop thinking about when he touched my face. I cannot forget his words. "You are beautiful." No one has said this to me for a long time. James and I start meeting more often. We try to be careful, but people begin to see us together. Students talk about us. Other teachers notice us. Soon everyone knows. I feel people looking at me. I hear them talking quietly. I feel scared. One morning my boss calls me. His name is Mr. Brown. He wants to see me in his office. I know this is bad news. I go to his office. He looks angry. "Jisoo," he says, "people are talking about you and a student. This is not good. You are a teacher. You must be professional. Parents are angry. They called the school. They do not like this." I listen, but I do not speak. I feel like a small child. I want to hide. "If this continues," Mr. Brown says, "you will lose your job. Do you understand?" I nod. I understand. I am in big trouble. After the meeting, I find James. I tell him what happened. "James," I say, "people know about us. My job is in danger. We cannot see each other anymore." James looks sad, but he speaks strongly. "No, Jisoo," he says, "I will not stay away. I will fight for you. I will fight for us." His words make me feel hope, but I am still very scared. A few days later, Mr. Brown calls me again. This time he looks very serious. "Jisoo," he says, "the school has decided. We cannot keep you as a teacher anymore. Your job ends today." My heart breaks. I cannot speak. All my work, all my years teaching are gone. I feel terrible. I am 32 years old and I have no job. Soon everyone in town knows. The newspaper writes about me. People talk about me everywhere. I go to the store and people look at me. They whisper. I feel very bad. My friends stop calling me. They are afraid to talk to me. My family is sad and angry. My mother cries. She asks me why I did this. I cannot explain it to her. I feel very, very alone. I stay in my house most days. I do not want to go outside. People judge me. They think I am a bad person. But James stays with me. He comes to my house every day. He brings me food. He holds my hand when I cry. We will be okay, Jisoo. He says, I am here for you. We will get through this together. James finds a job in a shop. He works hard to help us have money. He is strong when I feel weak. He gives me hope when I have none. One evening, James looks at me. Jisoo, he says, we cannot stay here anymore. This town has too many bad memories. Let us leave. Let us go somewhere new. We can start again. I think about his words. He is right. This place hurts us now. Yes, I say. Let us go. Let us start a new life. James and I pack our things. We put everything in boxes. We say goodbye to our old life. It is sad but also exciting. We drive far away to a small, quiet town. No one knows us there. No one knows our story. We feel free. We find a small house to rent. It has a nice garden. We buy some furniture. We make it our home. Every day feels better than the last. We walk in the park. We hold hands. We laugh together. I had forgotten how good it feels to laugh. We talk about our future. We make simple dinners together. In the evening, we sit outside. We look at the stars. Sometimes we just hold each other. These quiet moments make me very happy. I feel peace for the first time in months. One afternoon, we walk by a lake. James stops walking. He looks at me with his kind blue eyes. He takes something from his pocket. It is a small shiny ring. My heart starts beating very fast. James gets down on one knee. Jisoo, he says softly, will you marry me? Tears come to my eyes. I am so happy I cannot speak. I nod my head. Yes. Then I find my voice. Yes, I cry. Yes, I will marry you. I hug him tight. The ring is simple but beautiful. It means everything to me. It is a promise that we will be together always. We want a small, quiet wedding. We find a small church in our new town. It is pretty and peaceful. We do not invite anyone from our old life. We ask two kind people to be our witnesses. They do not know our story, but they smile and help us. On our wedding day, I wear a simple white dress. James wears a nice suit. We stand together in the church. We promise to love each other forever. The witnesses smile at us. It is a simple ceremony, but it feels perfect. We are finally husband and wife. Our life in this new town is very good. It is quiet and peaceful. I work from our house now. I teach math to students who need help. They come to our house for lessons. I like this work. I can choose my own hours. It is a new freedom for me. James studied business at a college near our town. He learns about companies and money. He wants to build a good future for us. We both work hard, but we always have time for each other. Our house is small but warm and comfortable. The garden in the back is lovely. We grow vegetables and flowers. We like to sit there when the sun shines. We talk about our day. We watch the flowers grow. Every morning I make tea for James and me. He says it is the best tea he has ever had. On Sundays, James brings me fresh flowers from the market. They make our home bright and beautiful. These small things make our life full of joy. Sometimes I think about the past. I know people in our old town still talk about us. They may not understand what we did, but I do not worry about what they think anymore. Their words cannot hurt our love. I made a choice. I chose love. I chose James even when it meant losing my job and facing many problems. James also chose me. He stayed with me when everything was difficult. His love was like a light in the dark. We faced everything together. Our love is very strong. It helped us through every hard time. People tested our love, but it never broke. We are truly happy now. We feel free from the past and all its pain. We built this new life together day by day. Each morning we wake up feeling thankful. We are thankful for our peaceful home. We are thankful for each other. Our house is full of laughter and quiet, happy moments. We know that true love always finds a way. Love always wins in the end. Yes, I married James. He was once my student. Now he is my husband, my partner, and my best friend. Our love story is our greatest success. We look forward to every new day together. Sometimes people ask me if I am sorry. They ask if I would do it again. I always say yes. Love is not always easy. Sometimes love asks us to make hard choices, but real love is worth fighting for. Real love is worth any price. James and I found real love. We found it in an unexpected place. We found it when we were not looking for it. But when we found it, we knew it was special. We knew it was worth keeping. Now we live each day with gratitude. We are grateful for our second chance. We are grateful for our new beginning. We are grateful that love brought us together. We are grateful that love keeps us together. Our story shows that love can overcome anything. Love is stronger than rules. Love is stronger than what other people think. Love is stronger than fear. When two people truly love each other, nothing can stop them. James and I learned this lesson. We learned it the hard way, but we learned it well. Now we live our lives knowing that love always wins. Love is the most powerful force in the world, and we are blessed to have found it with each other. Please like, share, and comment. English Story Hub.